Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1954 International R100. So I had to do a little bit of research on this, and the R100, this is the first year it came out, and this was a light-duty truck which had a simplified suspension and transmission. Well, this one's completely been redone. This has a 300 inline six. It's got a 4-speed Borg transmission with it's a Borg T18 they call it. It has got beautiful power steering and power brakes. It's a lovely interior, isn't it lovely?
It is lovely.
I like that. That's cool. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear. It's open diff, but it's a very nice cruising gear. It has got this beautiful bed back here with the wood slats. And it's got these little hooks back here for the old tailgate.
That's how you take that down.
You want me to?
No, we don't have to. I got pictures of the tailgate up and down in the photo booth. www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all that there.
Yep.
And the hood is kind of weird because it doesn't open from the front. It opens side to side.
Side to side.
Which is fun. Also, the bed in this thing is absolutely amazing.
It is incredible.
I like the design they have over there in the wood. Beautiful wood bed, paint matched in here. Wood on the bed sides. Double back window. It's split. Very cool. Paint matched wheels as well with,
let me open it this side.
Beauty rings and stuff.
Isn't that beautiful? Wild berry's the color, by the way.
Wild berry.
I like to show off with my color. I don't know what it is. I can't see it, but probably looks great. Here's the engine. Whoa.
Very nice. Inline six action.
Inline six action with a 1-barrel.
All right, you ready to start this thing up and drive it?
Let's start it up. Let us start it up.
Very pretty truck. And look at that gold pinstriping. And gold pinstriping.
Very nice.
So reverses all the way toward me and back.
Towards you and back, yes.
All right, here we go.
Now we're learning things and stuffs. Oh, wow.
Oh. Oh, hello, sir.
Oh, thank goodness.
That's a Ford Ranger.
It sure is a Ford Ranger.
Our truck is cooler than that.
Well, wait. Whoa!
And he's going to reverse into us.
Yeah. Well, that's fun. It's always exciting, isn't it?
It's always exciting around here.
I love the excitement.
All right. You don't have to worry about the curb because we're in a truck.
No, we are. It's a pretty cool truck at that.
You got all the gauges over here, odometer gauges. Which are
very
nice.
Good gauges. Very good.
Got a tach, speedo, voltage, water temp, oil pressure and fuel. There's oil pressure down there. It's fantastic. Water temp over on the left, which is cold because we cold started it. Voltage over there as well. Very nice. Ashtray.
Well, you know what that means.
In case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
We're not smoking tires in this.
Probably not. Not with an inline six. Here we go.
Oh, hot shifting action. Second was Purdy.
I like the back window too. It's split.
It is a split window.
We each have our own window.
Nice. And look, I only have a windshield wiper.
Yeah, just one.
You
That's
don't
all
need
you
it.
need. That's all you need. And it's paint matched, which is cool.
It is cool. Well, this, you know what? This scoots up this hill.
Oh, it's not bad. It's not a race engine, but it's still got plenty of power.
Torquey McTorques.
Torquey McTorques. And all the American flags out here still. Looks tremendous.
Tremendous. Very nice. Third gear action. Here we go to fourth. This is exciting and new.
Oh, fourth gear.
You know, it shifts buttery smooth. I like a Borg Warner.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that. Very nice. I like the big wood steering wheel. Also cool with the international badge in the middle. gauges that kind of matches the wood you got going on back there in the bed.
We got it going on.
We do have it going on right now.
You know,
nice.
There's a little show called Sanford and Son, and I think he had an international.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful show. Oh, this is a nice car.
It is. It's not going to make a lot of noise. So we probably won't do flybys.
There's no point.
Because I don't think there's any point.
Oh, we're just going to drive it, and it's really comfortable for a truck.
You want to swap spots at the Patriot building?
Let's do it.
Nice. No, it's very comfortable. I mean, the seat is cushy.
Yeah.
Very nice.
As it should be.
Two-tone. We got cloth and vinyl.
Well.
Unless this is leather.
Please.
I think it's vinyl.
I think so, too. A lot of young vinyls died to make this SC.
Rich Corinthian vinyl.
Ricardo Montalban would be so proud of us.
Oh man.
All right, here we go. I'm not taking that turn. I'm going to do the next one.
Let's feel
going a little too fast to make that
feel the
turn.
good power brakes.
Oh, yes.
Ah, very nice.
Very, very, very nice. Oh, nice. Hot shifting action again. Oh. We're going to switch right here by these beautiful shrubs. The shrubbery. Don't you love a good shrubbery?
I do love a good shrubbery.
Who doesn't? If you need shrubbery, go to Roger.
You know who really likes a good shrubbery?
Roger.
The Knights Who Say Me.
See, that's exactly right. You get them from Roger.
Yep.
Roger the shrubber.
Yep. And we have both side mirrors.
Oh my gosh.
It was a luxury option back then. Hop in, Stabile.
I think I will. I don't want to mess up your cameras.
How the turntables?
The tables have turned.
Alrighty.
I'm going to be careful.
Now you get to hold the beautiful camera.
Oh, and I get to show Jake driving. There's young Master Jake.
Yes, Master Jake.
Ah, yes.
Master of the Universe?
Let's not go that far.
Like He-Man?
Yes, I heard that's a new TV movie thingy.
It's a new movie. I kind of want to see it. It looks pretty good.
The CGI, I'm sure, is amazing. I do like this. It's matches the top.
The paint match dash is very nice.
I was hoping it matched. I mean, I thought it did. It looked like it did, but I don't know that much about the colors. I'm not good at it.
First gear is real short.
Yes, it is. It's a creeper.
Probably a creeper. Third gear action.
But doesn't it? It's notchy. It's good.
No, I like the shifter, and it's at a nice height.
Yes.
Where I'm not reaching super far down, but it's also not up here like a semi truck.
Thank goodness.
Fourth gear.
Nice. It's a cruiser too. Look here, 1,000 RPMs. You're going about 35, 40 miles an hour. You can get on the highway. Open dip, 275 rear. You can go on the highway for sure. And I like that.
Geared plenty low.
Geared plenty. Oh, hello. There's a guy riding a bike. Good for you, sir.
Very nice.
With a coat on. Where is he? Wow, he's got to be warm.
This suspension's nice and soft too.
It's obviously been redone recently, right?
It's floaty and comfortable. For a truck, that's very nice.
It's not beating you up.
And it seems like a lot of this truck has been redone, obviously.
Oh yeah. The paint's nice. It's just a beautiful truck. I love the wild berry color. Wild berry metallic.
Is that what it's called?
That's what it's called.
Huh. And the gold pinstriping and gold badges really bring it together.
Somebody took this thing and did it right. And I'm super proud. Yes, the old light duty truck. This was $60 whole cheaper than the R110.
Wow, $60.
Back then that was a lot of money. There's a house payment.
It's a couple months rent, yeah.
For sure, for 54. Beautiful, 1954. Oh.
Downshifting action in the truck.
Well, possibly unnecessary, but it's okay. It's fun to do.
We know
how.
If you have the 4-speed, you have the option to downshift, and that's what I love about manual transmissions.
Yes, Manuel. Oh, look, there's more. Oh, they put flags around there. How cool.
Yeah, they got all the nice flowers out here and American flags.
Feeling patriotic, people.
Especially in an international truck.
Yes. International Harvester, the company that built them. Fort Wayne, Indiana, and a beautiful Chatham, Ontario, Canada.
The very root of the word international is slightly unpatriotic because it's other countries.
That's true. What the hell? Oh, that's new.
That's the new Dodge Charger. We don't care about those.
No, we don't.
Especially the electric ones.
Yeah.
Boogie woogie woogie. That's what I say to that.
It's like boogies. But they are putting a Hellcat back in them if you have heard the recent news, which makes me excited. Yes, they are.
Very nice.
And then there's this thing called the Copperhead. Can't wait to see it. It's going to look like the big wing in the back. I don't know why we're talking Dodges, but we are. And damn it, I love it.
Here we are back at the fast lanes. This thing drives nice.
It does actually. It's a very, very nice car. A truck. Why do I keep calling it a car?
I don't know. That inline six is smooth too.
Buttery smooth.
It's like a little sewing machine ticking away up there.
It is. Well, you know how these go.
Oh, they're very nice.
Ooh. We're gonna eat these bumps alive.
I'm just gonna go straight over them. Doesn't matter. It's a truck.
Yeah.
We can handle it.
If it can't, then what's the point?
Here's the creeper gear.
We're creeping.
I'm off the clutch and I'm off everything right now, and we are just slowly creeping forward.
That's what we do.
This was so farmers could walk alongside it, throw hay in the back and stuff.
They're gonna have to run on this space.
Just let the truck kind of go next to them.
Creepers.
Kind of cool. And then reverse all the way over here, backward.
Are you putting it in? Oh, look at you.
I'll put it in.
He's showing us his coolness.
Put it inside.
Just
very
in case
hot.
it starts raining.
Well, that, and it's very hot out here. And I know I wouldn't want to sit outside, so why would the car?
We're gonna take care of you, big guy, because you're cool. For a light duty truck. Light duty.
Light. Yeah, sure. This thing's not a small truck.
No, it's not.
The Studebaker right next to us, that's a small truck.
Teeny tiny.
That's a light duty truck, in my opinion.
Light duty.
That's also got an inline six, a flat head though. This head is not flat on this.
No.
It's normal. And then we have a maroon GMC panel next to us, or behind us. Very similar color. That's why I like parking these near each other.
Like things.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Very nice. Key is out.
Jake, what do you think about that?
I think it's good. Temperature is still fantastic. We're at like 180. Oil pressure, I saw it at the end, is still good. We got half a tank of gas. Beautiful. It's tremendous.
It's tremendous. It is a tremendous vehicle.
All right.
Check it out on our website, guys.
www.fastlanecars.com, or call us 636-940-9969, or email us.
Ooh, interesting.
Sales@fastlanecars.com. You might get a hold of this guy.
Maybe. See you guys later.
See ya.
Word to your mothers.